Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the guitar that you can hear on the intro and the verse of the song Walls by Selena Gomez and Marshmello. This one is in standard tuning. We're not going to use any capo, so just take your guitar and let's begin. To play the first chord of the song, we are going to take the index finger, first finger, and we put it in the 7th fret, 6th string, and then second finger, 7th fret, the same fret, on the 3rd string. And then with the right hand, we are going to put thumb on the 6th string, index finger on the 3rd string, and middle finger on the 2nd string. And then we have the first chord. It's really important that you can hear the 2nd string. Okay? So with the 2nd finger on the left hand, you must watch out that you don't do like this and you don't hear the note. Okay? So then, when we have that, we are going to play the strings 6, 3, 6, 2. Those are the 4 first notes. 6, 3, 6, 2. Okay? And then we do 6, 3, 6. And that's the whole first measure. Okay, and then we move the position that we have in the left hand until the index finger arrives to the 10th fret. But now, instead of having the 2nd finger on the same fret, we are going to take the 3rd finger, the ring finger, on the 11th fret, 3rd string. Okay, you see the difference? The right hand does exactly the same pattern that we used on the first measure. It was 6, 3, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6. Okay, so the right hand plays the same than the first measure. I'm going to put together the first measure and the second. Okay, do you see that line between the 7 and the 10 when we change the measure? That's a slide. To do that slide, we just hold the first finger down. We don't lift it when we move the hand, like this. Okay? Let's try together, first measure and second measure. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. And now we take the position that we have on the second measure and we move it until the index finger arrives to the 3rd fret. Everything is the same. We just have to move the same position. The right hand plays the same again. So it sounds like this. Okay, so I'm going to put together the first, second, and third measure. I show you one more time. Okay, so now let's try together. Measures 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, and. Perfect. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Now we can try a little bit faster, like this. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, and now we arrive to the fourth measure. In my opinion, this is the most difficult measure. And we do like this. We hold the same position that we had on the third measure. But now we are going to put also the second finger on the second string third fret. Okay? And with the right hand we play 6, 3, 2. And when we have done that, with the left hand we do a slide from the third fret to the fifth with the second finger. Okay, when we do the slide, when we arrive to the fifth fret, we're not going to pick it with the right hand. Okay? And then we play 2 times that tone. 1, 2, okay? And we come with the pinky finger to the 7th fret, 3rd string. Ring finger, 6th fret, 3rd string. Those are the 4 last notes. It's really important that you use these fingers because in this way we have the left hand ready to play the first chord again. We are just going to keep repeating this. Okay, so pay attention to the fingers. I show you the whole fourth measure. Let's try together. Measure 4. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. And now we just have to put everything together, measure 1, 2, 3, and 4, and keep repeating that across the whole intro and verse. I'm going to show you one time, and then we try together. Okay, let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Nice, and now we're going to try repeating. We play it 2 times. So as soon as we do, we start again. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and. And repeat. We can try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. And that was Walls by Selena Gomez and Marshmello. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my new videos. And if you liked this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials. If there's any song that you want to learn and you don't find it in my web, just write me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video for you. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.